An air quality alert is in effect for Myrtle Beach and nearby areas in South Carolina because of smoke from wildfires. As Dave Malkoff reports, the people in charge of response said they've been busy in both North and South Carolina since Saturday.
This is absolutely insane.
Drivers faced a wall of wildfire smoke on a highway near Myrtle Beach Monday. Local fire officials expect the haze to stick around for another few days as they work to contain the fires.
We advise everyone to stay inside and stay out of the smoke. And if you see flames, call 911.
Volunteer firefighter Desmond Bowen says he's amazed to be part of such a huge emergency response.
I hadn't seen this many fire trucks and firefighters and only on TV.
South Carolina's biggest wildfire in more than 15 years forced evacuations over the weekend. The governor declared a state of emergency and issued an outdoor burning ban. And this is part of the problem right here. Listen to this. I'm going to put it right up to my microphone. That is crispy, crispy fuel for this fire. Fires need the fuel, they need low humidity, they need high heat, and they need high winds, and that's what they got.
By the time that you go and try to find an extinguisher or a water source, it's already beyond control.
Crews were able to keep these massive flames away from homes over the weekend.
It was a little bit scary with flames coming out of the tops of trees near homes.
And volunteers say they will continue to offer food and aid for as long as the firefighters need it. Dave Malkoff, CBS News, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
And thanks to those efforts, so far no homes have been damaged by fire. Investigators are still looking for a cause of the Covington Drive fire, one of the biggest that's burning right now.